You send a proposal, and then nothing. In B2B, that silence is where deals quietly die. QuotWay makes sure no quote goes cold. It starts with an expiry date, a shop default, or set per proposal, right in the editor. A few days before it lapses, your buyer gets an automatic reminder. Your quote expires soon. Still no reply? Turn on a follow-up rule. It emails the buyer after however many quiet days you choose. Add your own message and timing, and let it run. A mutual mute keeps the reminder and the follow-up from overlapping. And if the quote still lapses, it expires on its own, and the buyer gets a heads up, so the door stays open for next time. No quote goes cold. Everyone gets followed through. QuotWay, B2B quotes and negotiation, built for Shopify. Start free on the App Store.